recently I was in Fort Lauderdale for a concert. If you go back in my queue, you'll see a couple videos. It was Lords of Acid, and they had some crazy opening bands, and it was a good show, you know. And I had people ask me, because I posted a few videos, they were like, hey, TUXX, were those recorded on Meta, okay? And I just want to be transparent about this. No, they weren't, okay? The Meta is very capable, but right now the biggest problem for me recording in concerts with these is the fact of that 3-minute limit, you know? Because a lot of the songs, if you look through the songs I did post, I want to say all of them were over 3 minutes. It was like 3:45, 4 minutes, that kind of thing. So I didn't want to have it cut off halfway through a song and then have to do an edit and have it be kind of weird musically. You guys know I care about music, and to have an edit right in the middle of a song, even if I try and match the beats, which I probably could do, you know, it would be just kind of weird, you know, it'd be too much work and just not enough resolve for it. It would be not worth it audibly. If you guys could hear that click where the beat, like, you know, where the edit is, that would like not be as good of an experience watching it as if you're just watching a front row straight up, you know, from the video by itself, like it is like raw footage. So anyway, guys, I didn't use these, but you know what? I would love to. I mean, I hope that maybe down the road, Meta will actually go ahead and do something where you can actually record over 3 minutes. Right now, a disclaimer, of course, if you get the Oakleys, the Vanguards, you can record for 5 minutes, and that would be good enough to actually record a full concert song in most cases, unless it's some kind of crazy like 10-minute like super progressive, you know, song or something that is super duper long. But even then, like, it'd be kind of weird because, like, at least inside, these look like glasses. I wouldn't feel too weird about wearing these front row at a concert, you know. Although it might be weird, like sometimes artists are kind of strange about, like, you know, being recorded and with that little light going on, you know, like if I could have covered that up or something, that'd make me feel a little better about the situation. But, you know, people understand when they're on stage, they're going to be videotaped for, you know, photos taken, that kind of thing. So you don't really need full disclosure. Like, I would feel fine having this light covered up and recording, you know, but I just didn't want to do that. I didn't want to have that experience front row. So I went ahead and used the Sony camera, which you can see back in the queue, the Xperia 1 Mark V and the Samsung S25 Ultra, okay, where the two cameras are the two cell phones, which I was using for cameras at that particular concert. We do sometimes take Sony cameras too, but in this particular case, I was using two cell phones, okay? So anyway, guys, I hope down the road, like I hope Meta gets there, you know, I really do. Do I want to wear Oakley Vanguard sunglasses with a big face shield, you know, like at a concert in front row? Probably not. You know, that's like wearing sunglasses in the house in the dark or something, you know. And unless it's the 80s, I think wearing sunglasses at night, kind of maybe like dark sunglasses, probably isn't a cool thing. So anyway, guys, that is the deal with that. If you guys have a favorite tip for wearing, you know, these bad boys to concerts and recording more than 3-minute videos, let me know in the comments below or shoot me an email, tuxtoys@gmail.com, okay? But I'm still really enjoying these. I think my biggest problem with them, if I had to give it opportunity, people say, Tux, what's the downside? I have noticed some cases of updates. Like, sometimes you'll put them on first thing in the morning and it'll need an update, you know? And that's true with a lot of electronics. But in general, I'm loving these bad boys. The AI is getting better and better the more I use it. It starts thinking, it gets, you know, smarter as time goes on, which is really good. And the convenientness of the case, I have to say, Ray-Ban did a fantastic job of the battery thing. I've not had any battery issues with these at all. And I do put them back in the case. The charging case works great, and you can get a whole nother charge with it. So that's a whole nother like positive for these. And they're getting close. I was really debating whether to use these for a concert or not. So that's all I got for you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.